Welcome to week 13's homework, the to-do list. The first thing you'll notice is to work on study your phonograms. There'll be a quiz next week, right before Thanksgiving. Also, number 3, you'll need to finish your phonics lesson plan and sound card. That's going to be due on the 14th. Make sure that you have enough materials to teach 2 peers in class. Bring all of those things to class on the 16th. The new learning is on vocabulary. So I gave you a handout called the Freyer model, and you are to just cut that out and glue it on page 118, and you're done for now. Excuse me. And then the next one is you're going to be reading an article, Robust Vocabulary. Open that link up, and you're going to be taking notes on why is vocabulary important and the 3 layers, the 3 tiers of vocabulary. And then underneath it, you'll see that it says to place your notes on a handout called Tab Vocabulary. Here's what it looks like. So at the top of this tab, you're going to be taking notes on why is vocabulary important. Underneath that, here are the 3 tiers. Take notes on what are the 3 tiers and include examples. On the bottom, you'll notice there's also a box about watching a video about Anita Archer teaching discard. When you watch and open up the link, you'll need to just watch her teach the first word, discard. It goes quick, and I want you to write down all the little steps, minute steps she does to teach the word discard. Put them in that box right there. And the link was also in the note sheet, but it's also right here where it says watch Anita Archer teaching the word discard. Okay, open that up. When you're done, then submit pages 118, the Freyer model, blank, and then page 119, the tab for vocabulary. All right, and I will see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.